Hello and welcome to Copycat Recipe Reviews, where we copy other people's recipes to see if we can recreate and if it's as good as they claim. Okay, so I saw this the other day and I thought I got to try it. And now it looks lovely. I love mushrooms and it looks simple. And yeah, I like simple. Can I pull it off? Is it as good as they say? I don't know. Let's find out. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that like button. I really appreciate it. Now let's get going. All right, so we're going to start off with 400 grams of mushrooms, any kind of mushrooms, I reckon. Oh, up to you. I think that's about 16 ounces. Quarter cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, which will be melted, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 garlic cloves, and parsley to go on the end to make it look good, you know, green stuff. All right, so we're going to start off with chopping our garlic. Who loves chopping garlic? I certainly don't. It's such a tedious thing. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to crush all this. We chopped it up and we're going to crush it all now, yeah? Now, I know some of you in the comments are going to go, oh, why don't you just put it into one of them garlic crushing things? And I'm like, yeah, you're probably right. But what I do is I copy people's recipes. So basically, I'm pretty much copying what they do in every way I can. So, you know, so I can't really put something down or rate it if it's not done properly, even to this point. I'm going to say who it is. It's this channel called Munchy Goodies. It looks actually brilliant. I haven't tried anything apart from this yet. Well, I haven't tried it yet, but I saw it and I was like, oh my God! Wow! So I'm just going to follow it. So, and remember, I'm not the best cook, even though I've improved over the last few months. It's actually the channel and advice in the comments, but you know, I'm still not the greatest and I'm still mess up, you know. If I don't do it right, it won't be because of her channel. And if I follow it to the best instructions I can, then, you know. Oh, I forgot, we're supposed to put a little bit of salt on it. I should have done that first, but you know, I forgot. All right, put your mushrooms in a bowl, chop them in. I chopped them in half. I suppose you can chop them any way you want. In goes your olive oil, in goes your butter, in goes your soy sauce, pepper, garlic powder. Oh, this is nice. And a little bit more salt, just a little bit. And don't forget our garlic. All right, so we're going to mix it up. Ooh, looks good already, actually. We're going to mix it up real good until you feel. Do you know, it's interesting with the soy sauce. I wonder, you know, and I would never have thought of that, but you know, I'm not clever. But the thing is, we're going to mix it up real good until you feel it's covered, and me too. All right, so get your air fryer dish or combi dish, mine is, but you know, you can use whatever you want, you know. I mean, if you use it's air fryer, so it don't matter which one you use, you know. So we're going to spread them out like that a little bit. They look good already. All right, so we're going to go to 190. I suppose that will change. We're going to go to air fryer. Oh no, it was on air fryer. So 190. I'm messing it up already. Air fryer. We're going to preheat it for a minute or so. Oh, preheat. All right, time to go. I think that's long enough. All right, I'm going to go in the middle shelf with this. Shake. Here we go. 190. I'm going to go for 8 minutes, and then we're going to give it a turn. All right, that's about halfway. Take them out, give them a shake. That's the one good thing about normal air fryers, is the way you can shake it all up, you know. A bit juicy, but I'm sure that'll evaporate. Bit of a mix. It's all good. It smells so good, can't tell you. All right, back in. All right, so let's check it out. I know you're not here, but you can't smell that, but oh my God. It smells like, I know you can't see or smell, but I was a bit concerned about all that liquid not evaporating. I was a bit concerned about that, but it's gone. And there you have it. Now I got this. This is some kind of sauce. I think it's actually a garlic sauce. I can't stress to you, I really can't stress to you how this smells. I can't stress to you enough. I think you get the picture by what I'm saying at this point. Now I got to try it. All right, so All right, let's try it. Best mushrooms I've ever had in my life. I'm not kidding. Not kidding. Wow. Oh my God. I can't believe it. Oh my God. Wow. It's nice with the sauce, but it's actually just as not actually nicer without the sauce. I can't stop. I'm just going to eat all of them in a second. I swear I'm just going to eat them all. All right, so there you go. Air fried roast garlic butter mushrooms. Wow. No, they're really good. Now, I got it from a channel called Munchie Goodies. So I recommend you check her channel out, and she may be able to show you how to make them better than me. Everyone can. But if I can do it, you definitely can do it. And there's something you'd want to make every day. And there's something you want to show off to people if they came around to see you in a house or something that I could do. Anyway, they're definitely a highlight of any dinner or any plate you put in. Oh, 100%. Now, before I go, leave it in the comments. If you tried it, you're going to try it. Let me know all of that in the comments and tell me something that you might think I should try in the future. I'm going to try some kind of pork something with pork, I think I was thinking of doing. But anyway, look, I'm going to shoot off. Like and subscribe. You know how important that is to me. And remember, as I said, if I can do this, you can do it. But for now, and until next time,